Back here tonight, and we've seen our fair share of wild weather this year. There's been numerous thunderstorms and microbursts, also tornadoes. Some are asking, is the weather getting worse? Meteorologist Reale goes in depth. Jill.
The short answer to that question is no. Much like social media has made news instantaneous, pictures and severe weather events can go viral in seconds. It's these pictures from above that have many people in shock. It certainly doesn't look like upstate New York. Instead, more like Kansas.
When I remember being young, that the weather didn't seem like this. I don't remember tornadoes. I don't remember flooding like there was. So it just seems a lot worse than it used to be.
Then a powerful tornado in Smithfield on July 8th left 4 people dead.
It's increasing in storms and rain and winds, trees coming down.
While the weather has been active over the past several weeks, it isn't worse than compared to years past. National Weather Service meteorologist Eric Hayden says it may seem like our weather is more severe, but that's just not the case.
We average about 10 tornadoes a year in New York State and about 1 to 2 a year in our area. So we do have tornadoes in our area and across New York State, so that is not an uncommon thing.
In 2011, there were 6 confirmed tornadoes in central New York. In 1992, there were 7. But then again, some years we didn't see any tornadoes.
And what has happened this year is not as uncommon as people think. Just because we average a couple a year doesn't mean that's what we're going to get each year. An average just means something that's been averaged out. We go many years where we don't have anything, and then we have a year that's very active. So,
technology and the internet are playing a major role in helping weather experts issue severe thunderstorm warnings. Social media also helps meteorologists receive storm reports. According to the U.S. Census, in 1997, only 18% of households had internet use. Today, that percentage is up to 95%.
Quite simply, people have smartphones and camera phones now, so a lot of what happened prior to that was not documented. Think about it.
A perfect example of this is the damage in New London and in Remsen. Hayden says the National Weather Service surveyed the area because of pictures posted on Facebook. Without those reports, that tornado would have never been confirmed.
Social media has definitely made us more aware. It's not a bad thing. You know, we're knowing about these things, but just the fact that people are telling us is increasing the statistics.
So are tornadoes the new normal for central New York? Hayden says doubtful.
Yes, this is an increased year. We're seeing more tornadoes this year, but weather happens in cycles. It just is not average all the time.
No matter what the statistics say, the summer of 2014 will belong to the same group as the Labor Day storm, Hurricane Irene, and the floods of 2013. In the Storm Tracker 2 Weather Center, Reale, News Channel 2.